Now that you have created your full animation, it's time to export and share it with the world. Exporting in After Effects might sound intimidating at first, but with the latest version, it's become much simpler. Especially now that H.264 export is built right into After Effects. First, make sure your work area covers the entire section of your animation you want to export. You will see two blue handles on your timelines. I will set this to 5 seconds for our animation. And set the initial one to the starting point. This tells After Effects what to render. Now go to the top menu and click on File, Export and Add to Render Queue. Or if you are using Windows, just press Ctrl+M to directly open Render Queue. In the render settings, leave it at best settings if you want the highest quality. This is great for your master file or archiving your project. Now in the output module, click on the blue text. Select H.264. This format gives you a compressed video with a much smaller file size, perfect for uploading to YouTube, Instagram or any other online platform. Here you can also change format options. If you are fine with it, just click OK. Just make sure the format is set to H.264 and click on OK. Next, click the output, this blue text, and define the location. And click on Save. Once everything is set, click the render button on the right. After Effects will process your project and export it as a video file. It may take a few minutes depending on the complexity and duration of your animation. Once it is done, go to the folder where you have saved it and play the video to check everything. Make sure your motion looks smooth. Your efforts are showing correctly, and if there is any audio file, ensure it is synced well. Our video looks fine. We have just completed a full beginner's guide to Adobe After Effects. You have learned how to navigate the interface, animate with keyframes, use text and shapes, add stunning effects, manage layer with pre-composition, and finally export your polished project in a professional format. Take a moment to feel proud of what you have built today. This is a big step into the world of motion design and animation. But remember, the real learning starts when you explore and experiment on your own. Try creating small projects regularly to practice what you have learned. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Have any questions or want to request a specific tutorial? Drop them in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep exploring and stay inspired. I'll see you in the next video.